Essentials with Marie, and I am your host, Marie. Today, we're going to do another work from home opportunity. Thank you so much to everyone that has joined the community. Welcome and thank you. Don't forget to hit the notification bell as we post every day. Thank you so much to my oldies but goodies. We are here always trying to do our best finding these work from home opportunities. Sometimes they're more dedicated to a specific state, but other times we can find some that everyone could try and fill out. To my oldies but goodies, thank you for being a part of the community. Thank you for showing up and showing out, for hitting the thumbs up, for leaving your positive comments, and for sharing the videos. Thank you so much. Today's work from home opportunity is from the company called ENTRATA. I believe this is more like a property management company is what I was reading, because it speaks about like leasing and they were more or less showing like the tools that you have where you can see the property and you can put the price that you want. So it's like a property management, like if you have various homes and you need a company to run like the leasing and all of that, this company does it. But they do have some work from home opportunities, some remote opportunities. Not all of their jobs are remote, but at least this particular one that I found, because I don't want it to have like a lot of credentials or education so that everyone is able to fill out. This one is the one that has the least requirements and the least education. Others require master's degree and all of that. So we have this one, which is the leasing specialist. So let's see what it consists of, what the pay is, and what you need to have. If you're someone who is driven by providing an excellent customer experience, you might be just the person we're looking for. Entrata's Leasing Center is seeking a leasing professional who will work from the comfort of their own home. As part of the leasing center team, you will act a virtual leasing professional for apartment communities, residents, and prospective tenants across the nation. You will handle 3 types of inbound calls: leasing calls, people looking for pricing and availability information; maintenance calls, residents who need a work order filled out; resident solicitor calls, those who need a message passed on to the on-site staff. Pretty easy, guys. Requirements: self-motivation and dependability. Agents need to be able to demonstrate the ability to work independently and effectively in a remote environment. Technical: Ethernet connection with minimum upload-download speeds of 5 megabytes, wireless broadband, satellite internet, and Wi-Fi are not permissible. And a surge protector for protection of the company provided equipment. Okay, guys, our first thing here, they're providing us with equipment. Home office: permanent residency with a quiet, distraction-free professional environment, a dedicated space with sufficient power supply to take calls where quality will exceed expectations. So if you have children, if you have animals, pets, you can't have the TV on, you can't have like another device on. So it has to be a quiet environment that won't distract you from either the calls or attending whatever situation the person is calling you for. Availability: must be able to attend a mandatory 2 to 3 weeks virtual training. That's actually pretty good, 2 to 3 weeks, because most of the time we are seeing 4 to 6 weeks plus. We even saw one that said 11 weeks of training. So 2 to 3 weeks virtual training, because a lot of them don't tell us if it's virtual or if we have to go to a physical location. So it's really good that this is 2 to 3 weeks and it is completely virtual. Must be able to work Saturdays or Sunday shifts. So do have that in mind, that they will be shifting you weekdays as well as weekends. High school diploma or equivalent. Must be 18 years or older. Okay, so from what we see here, it's just a high school diploma, and they're not asking us to have any, till now, they're not asking us to have any previous work experience. Compensation and perks. So you'll starting at $11 $11 an hour with an opportunity to earn $14.15 an hour with certifications and training. So I'm imagining that the virtual training that they give you at the top will give you some sort of type of certification that will give you $14.50, right? Sunday shifts are paid an extra $1. So if you have to work Sundays, add $1 to those hours, and there you have it. Full benefit package for full-time and part-time employees. So even if you're a part-time employee, you'll still get benefits, which is a plus, because most of the time part-time employees, they don't really give them benefits. So that's a plus, that even if you're a part-time employee, you'll still get full benefits. All necessary equipment is provided. So they're giving you equipment, flexible shifts availability 24/7. So you have to have a flexible schedule. If you don't have that flexibility, this might not be the work opportunity for you. Bonus incentives for the first 120 days. So your first month, you'll get a $100 bonus on top of your pay. Month 2, you'll get $125 on top of your pay. Month 3, $150 on top of the pay. Month 4, $175 on top of the pay. Benefits: medical, dental, and vision benefits. 401k with matching, life insurance, health savings account, flexible spending account, short-term disability. Work schedule and location. Full and part-time shifts available. Our team of work-at-home agents is scheduled to work within the hours of Saturday and Sunday, 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. One weekend shift of at least 6 hours is required each weekend. Okay, so you can work anywhere between 7 to 10, but do have in mind that it's not like you're going to work all the way through 7 to 10. This is what I was speaking about in another work from home opportunity, that they don't tell you this. Very important. You're only going to work 6 hours, but you're going to work those 6 hours between 7 to 10 p.m. So you pick a shift between 7. I don't know if you pick it or if they'll give it to you, between 7 to 10. And it's going to be one weekend. What is it? 1 weekend a month? Don't really tell us if it's every other weekend or not. It says one weekend shift of at least 6 hours is required each week. So on the weekly basis, I'll have to work either a Saturday or a Sunday. 6 hours is what I'm understanding. After fulfilling the at-home agent requirements, your home will become your office. We ask for a 6-month commitment, so they want you to at least be able to work 6 months. We are not currently hiring agents who reside in Utah, Wyoming, Texas, and Idaho. So if you live within those 4 states, this opportunity is not for you. Physical requirements. The physical requirements described here are representative of those that must be met by an employee to successfully perform the essential functions of this job. Ability to function well in a high-paced and at times demanding environment. Must be able to sit and or stand extended periods of time, repeating motions that may include wrists, hands, and or fingers. Ability to operate standard and specific technical office equipment, regular and reliable attendance during standard operation hours. And then here it tells you a little bit about the company and what they want you to do. Okay, so far we have bonus that if what is 1, 2, 3. So what do we have? We have like a 550, is it? Correct my math if it's wrong. 550 is our total bonus. If we work during the first 4 months, we have all the benefits. We have to work at least a Saturday or a Sunday each week, mandatory Saturday or Sunday each week. So you'll have to work that. You get 11 hours. As you get certifications and trainings, it'll move up to $14.50 and an extra $1 if you work on the Sunday Also, they do have full-time and part-time. So if you can't work full-time, then part-time. You'll have to communicate that with them. And the internet, as you see here, they tell you what type of internet they don't want you to have. And this is what you'll be doing basically is attending calls. So I think this is a pretty good opportunity, like $14.50, and if you work on a Sunday, it's $15.50 for answering calls. I think the problem that you'll have here is if it's a maintenance call, sometimes the tenants are not that nice. Sometimes, if they're upset because they have called on various occasions, you'll get the heat for that. But I think it's a pretty good opportunity, guys. As a work from home offer, and they're providing you with equipment. They're not asking you for vaccination. They're not asking you for much education, just a high school diploma, and they're not asking you for previous work experience. So hop on it. I'm going to leave the link down below. Let's see here. What you need to do is provide your full name, attach your resume, or use your LinkedIn profile. Full name, email, phone. If you want to add any of these URLs, but it's not mandatory. What is your preferred name? You put it here. How did you learn about the position? What state are you currently living in? Because there are 4 states that cannot apply. What is your desired yearly compensation? I might do a video on this because things have changed a lot with resumes and with filling these particular fields out. So, yeah. Also, do you know or will you in the future require sponsorship or legal work? This is if you need like a visa or permission to be working in the actual state. Do you have any signed agreement regarding competition with your current employer or any previous employer? If you answer yes to the question above, then you got it right here. Have you worked for ENTRATA customers in the past 12 months? What is your current address? Desired hourly wage? Which range do you prefer schedule fall within? Okay, so here's where you'll put what shift do you prefer? 5 a.m. to 2 p.m., 11 a.m. to 5 p.m., 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. Open to any shift. What would be your second choice if if they couldn't accommodate you within the first one? What would be your second one? What is the total amount of hours you would like to work per week? We require a minimum of 20 hours, so you can put here if you want part-time or full-time. Please describe your available schedule. We require all employees to work either a Saturday or a Sunday shift of 6 hours. Example, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. So you put how you would want to rotate your shift and what hours. Excuse the puppy in the back. What type of internet connection do you have at your permanent residence? So you have to put that. Are you 18 years or older? Have you worked for ENTRATA in the past? And additional information. Here it tells us, is this the non-discrimination, right? Oh, this is the U.S. Equal Employment Opportunity. Yeah. So you have to fill this out. Put here about if I am human, and you submit your application. So it'll take a little bit to fill it out, but at least you don't need to make an account. So this is the work from home opportunity that we have for today. I think it's a pretty easy job. It's pretty good, and they don't require much. So I hope you guys are motivated to fill out. I am going to leave the link down below so you guys can go straight in and check it out and submit your information if you so desire to fill out for this particular job. Hop on it. If you have not subscribed as of yet, please hit that subscription or the subscribe button. Oh, good Lord. Hit the subscribe button, guys. Hit that notification bell. Also, hit a thumbs up if you enjoy the work from home opportunities. We'll keep finding other ones for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, for being a part of the community. If you want to follow us on Facebook, I will leave the link down below. Once you go in, make sure you hit the follow to follow us on Facebook. If you want to follow us on TikTok at Resources with Marie, and on Instagram at Resources with Marie. Thank you so much for watching and for being a part of the community, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.